My dear kids, I hope you all have learned the previous topic we have done in the last classes. So let's start with a new topic, that is sense organs. We have 5 sense organs in our body. So let's read aloud the name of the sense organs one by one. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Now we will learn about the sense organs and their uses. The first sense organ is our eyes. We can see the different things around us with the help of our eyes. For example, we can see the color around us, the shapes of the object and many more things. हम अपनी आँखों से अपनी आसपास की सभी चीज़ों को देख सकते हैं, जैसे कि उनका रंग, उनका आकार, और इस तरह से हम बहुत सारी चीज़ों को अपने आसपास अपनी आँखों की मदद से देख सकते हैं. The next sense organ is our ears. We can hear the different sounds with the help of our ears. For example, as you all can see in the pictures, we can hear the music, the ringing bell, and a man who is singing song. जी हाँ, हम अपने कानों से अलग अलग तरह की आवाज़ों को सुन सकते हैं, जैसे कि गाना सुनना, बजती हुई घंटी की आवाज़ सुनना, या फिर किसी ऐसे आदमी को सुनना जो गाना गा रहा है या कुछ और बोल रहा है. Next sense organ is nose. We can smell different things around us through our nose. Like we can smell the fragrance of flower, or we can smell the aroma of food and the rotten smell of the garbage. हम अपनी नाक से अलग अलग तरह की खुशबू या बदबू को सूंघ सकते हैं, जैसे कि फूलों की महक, खाने की खुशबू या फिर कूड़ेदान की बदबू. Next sense organ is our tongue. We can taste the different food with the help of our tongue. Like we can taste the sweet candy, bitter medicine and sour lemon. हम अपनी जीभ से अलग अलग तरह के खाने को चख सकते हैं और खा सकते हैं, जैसे कि मीठा, कड़वा और खट्टा. The last sense organ is our skin. We can feel a thing by touching it with the help of our skin. We all know that the skin is present all over our body. So, we can feel the hot cup of tea by touching it with our skin. Or we can feel the cold cup of iced tea, or we can feel anything which is soft or hard by touching it with the help of our skin. हम अपनी त्वचा से अलग अलग चीज़ों को छूकर महसूस कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि गरम, ठंडा, मुलायम या कठोर। Now it's the time for recapitulation. So let's revise what we have learned in today's class. We have learned about the 5 sense organs, and those are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. And we have also learned about the uses of those different sense organs. We can see with the help of our eyes. We hear with our ears. We can smell with the help of our nose. We taste different things with our tongue. We can feel different things around us by touching it with the help of our skin. Now we will read aloud all the new words that we have learned in the chapter. So you all will read aloud after me. Sense organs, smell, feel, taste, touch, hear, see and different. Now I will discuss today's homework. Question number 1 is, you have to look at the given pictures carefully and match them with the correct word. For example, you have to match the uses or the functions of the sense organ with their picture. Question number 2 is, read out the given sentences carefully and choose the correct option from the hint box. As you all can see, I have given you a hint box and I have written the uses or the functions of the sense organs in the box. For example, part A, we dash with our nose. Yes, guess the answer. We smell with our nose. And similarly, you have to complete all the sentences. आप सभी को इन वाक्यों को ध्यान से पढ़कर दिए गए बॉक्स में जो यूजेस लिखे हैं उन्हें वाक्यों में भरकर पूरा करना है। जैसे कि हम अपनी नाक से क्या करते हैं? यस, हम अपनी नाक से सूंघ सकते हैं। And don't forget, you have to write down or complete the worksheet in your notebook. I hope now you all have learned about our sense organs and you all will be able to complete the worksheet easily. Thank you.